an extreme, quick way of letting go of anger towards a person. Hello, beautiful soul. So happy to share with you this amazing way that within a minute or two will allow you to let go of any anger that you're holding towards a person or worries. So, step one, it starts always with the breathing. So sit down or lay down and just take 3 deep inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth, and the exhaling should be double as long as the inhaling, because that sends the signal to your body that you are absolutely safe and relaxed. After you have done the 3 breaths, then keep on breathing and now focus on your heart area and think of a person that you truly love, or maybe a situation, doesn't matter, and focus on this emotion. So you get this person, you get the situation, and you increase this feeling of love and gratitude for this person in your body, and let this feeling extend in your whole body, feeling each and every cell till you cannot hold it anymore in your body, and let it expand around your body. Imagine like a huge golden ball that is circling around. And by holding this feeling of love and gratitude, now imagine the person that you were angry at staying in front of you, and keep holding the feeling of love and gratitude, and holding and breathing deep in and out. And now send blessing to this person. Send blessing with the whole love and gratitude that you're currently holding within you, because realize in this moment that this person was only there to show you a part of you that you have still holding as a vibration in your consciousness. And the only way to let go of this part, to embrace it, and to increase your energy and consciousness is just by having this like mirror to you through this person. And when you send blessing and love to the person and be grateful that this person has helped you see this vibration within you, then you just send blessing. You wish this person to have the greatest life on earth, knowing that you're not a concurrence or any other emotion that it has created within you. And then send it blessing, blessing, blessing. And then, of course, send blessing towards you. Embrace yourself. Send love also towards you. Send compassion toward the person and towards you. And be grateful for this amazing experience. And then, when you're done, you can keep this as long as you can keep it. Then just take a breath in and come back to your day, and feel the love and compassion and the gratitude. That is your highest vibration, and that is what we are all thriving to experience on a day-to-day basis. Thank you for watching, and if you are first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I'm willing to create every day for you, to keep you more committed to your purpose, to your growth. And also don't forget to like the video, because with a like you're helping also other people to get more in touch with their authentic self, to grow and to experience more and more of their true nature. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.